materials na ginamit dito, and yung ating mga switch, yan, premium din. Then, this is the living area. So, mga kabalay, tanggalin nyo lang yung mga furnitures dito as is na mismo. Dahil complete finish and turnover natin for cutting phase 5. So, you can have your sofa here. Yan, malaki pa. No? 4 seats. And on this side, you can have your TV here or appliances if you wish, or you can have a storage here, no, for renovation. Yan. Mga kabalay, this is the actual turnover that we have here. The community that we have here is a cutting phase 5 Bacoor, Cavite. So, 4 hectares yung ating community. 275 units ang mga itatayo. So, right now, we are offering here inner unit, end unit, and corner unit. May mga nakalipat na tayo dito mga kabalay na mga homeowners. So, basically, if you're looking for ready for occupancy and lipat agad this year, we have units pa dito. So, before we tackle the full details or mga inventories that we have, so, discuss ko lang mga kabalay yung ating house model. This is model number 2. So, for our model number 2, no, the design itself is modern contemporary na. So, meron na tayong mini balcony. For our end unit and corner unit, nasa side yung ating balcony. For the inner unit, nasa front, no? So, ito na mismo yung actual deliverables that we have for the model number 2. And this one, kasama na kabalay yung gate, no? The gate, kasama na to. Foldable to kabalay. Kagandahan doon sa foldable gate that we have is that, no? You can close this one and you have a mini gate on this one. Ayan, no? Mas convenient sa atin dahil may mini gate ka dito upon turnover. Pasukan natin naman dito sa ating carport. So this is an example of the corner and end unit. 90 square meter minimum. So kasya dito kabalay 2 carports, no? As you observe, malaki talaga yung ating carport dito, no? For an end unit, ang property line natin dito, dahil 90 square meter, this one. Mula dito, ang ating property line hanggang doon. So, upon turnover, dahil meron na dito mga homeowners at may mga nakalipat na, meron na tayo ditong water na tayo dito upon turnover. And then, may plug tayo dito sa labas. Ang gandaan pa dito mga kabalay is yung ating mismong car park, no, may shade na, may canopy ka na dito, no, na hindi mo na kailangan magpagawa pa, no, ng shelter or ng cover for your car. So malaki talaga yung space mo dito for our car park. If you wish na corner lot, so we have available corner lot, may extra space ka pa dito, no, for your garden if you wish na mag-extend pa for this one. Upon turnover, meron na tayong sliding door for this one, no kabalay. And we have here yung mga windows natin at the side. Ito yung balcony natin kabalay for end and corner unit. Then may access ka pa dito going to your utility area. Mga kabalay, akarin natin. So, nandito rin yung ating sliding door. And ang ating first toilet and bath here. Yan. So, ito yung pinaka-common CR natin for this one. So, mas malaki yung CR natin, no? Sa second floor. So, kasama, as you observe, hanggang taas yung ating mga tiles dito. Premium yung ating lavatory and toilet and ating shower. Yan. So, we're done here mga kabalay sa ating mismong ground floor. Let's go. Check natin yung pinaka-actual turnover. Then, puntahan din natin yung inner unit. Let's go. We're done kabalay sa ating corner unit, no? Which is same lang din sa end unit, yung ating labas. Now, yung inner unit naman natin. Ang ating inner unit, look at the facade. Yung ating balcony is nasa front. And this one, yung mahangin dito kabalay, no? So this one, glass sliding door na siya with screens. Also, mayroong gate din tayong kasama dito. Upon turnover. Ayan. So ito yung ating mini entrance natin, mini gate. Foldable din to kabalay, no? Kapasukin natin itong loob. For inner unit, this is the actual turnover that we have. 5.7 meters, malaki, no? Then 4 meters yung lapad, mga kabalay, no? Well spacious yung ating car park. Kahit nakaban ka dito or SUV, kasyang-kasya. Again, di ba, nakita niyo naman, overhead yung ating, nataas ng ating ceiling. Yan. Livable ang community, may anta dito, may water na, malakas ang water. Yan. Then, nandito yung ating, of course, yung mga ating plugs, as you can see. Ito ang ating big windows, sliding windows, yeah. Then, elevated yung packet mo going to your ground floor. Yan. Sa ground floor natin mga kabalay, yan. As you observe, itong ating mismong main door, metal flush door to with double lock. Yan. Safe tayo dito with pip eye. Ipa sa mga condo, mga kabalay. So this one. So good thing, maganda yung premium, yung mga materials na ginamit dito. And yung ating mga switch, yan, premium din. Then this is the living area. So mga kabalay, tanggalin nyo lang yung mga furnitures dito as is na mismo. Dahil complete finish and turnover natin for cutting phase 5. So you can have your sofa here. Yan, malaki pa. No? 4 seats. And on this side, you can have your TV here or appliances if you wish. Or you can have a storage here, no? For renovation. Yan. This one, yung ating stair, as you observe, concrete siya. Hindi siya, no? Metal lang. So quality talaga pagkakagawa dito. Yan. Concrete lahat yan. Mula dito sa base hanggang pataas, concrete yung ginamit dito. And as well as this one, naka metal hand railings tayo dito mga kabalay. Yan. On this side, ang ating dining area, table of 6. So as you can see, palapad, mahaba, no? Kasyang-kasya yung family mo dito, kahit may guest ka or small family ka or big family ka, table of 6, saktong-sakto. Lagyan mo pa ng ganitong accent ng light, di ba? That gives you a, di ba, kakaibang design ng yung property. Yung ceiling natin mga kabalay, as you can see, as is na yan. Dahil complete finish to, mataas yung ating ceilings, no? If you wish na lagyan pa siya ng drop ceiling, pwede. Pero this one, ang ganda ng ceiling natin, no? Ayan na mismo yung deliverables natin upon turnover. Dito naman mga kabala, yung ating kitchen area. May base cabinet na tayo upon turnover. And also may hanging cabinets na tayo. No? Ito ang kagandahan natin sa may cutting place. Bibihira mga kabalay sa mga property right now na may hanging cabinets na nakasama. No? This one is magandang deal na sa atin to have this one, hanging cabinets. You can put your fridge here and this one your stove. No? Yan. Good thing, meron ng hanging cabinets. Maganda yan. At least di na kayo magpapagawa pa later on. On this side naman mga kabalay, going to our utility area or service area, may sliding door na tayo dito. No? Yan. With screen na rin to. So dito, pwede ka magkaroon ng dirty kitchen if you wish. Laundry area. Yan. Malakas yung mga tubig natin dito. Yan mga kabalay. And this is our first bathroom that we have. So medyo maliit yung bathroom natin sa ground floor compared sa ating second floor. Yan, hanggang tiles na, hanggang taas na yung ceiling. Sa ating tiles natin hanggang ceiling na. Preview yung ating lavatory. Then, ating toilet. Quality. Hindi tinipid yung mga materials natin dito. So, mga kabalay, we're done sa ating ground floor. But before we move sa ating second floor, just a quick review dito. So what I like here is malaki talaga yung ating ground floor, yung space natin dito sa may Cat-in Place 5 na model number 2. So same lang din siya sa model number 1, pinagkaiba lang yan niya mga kabalay is mismong facade ng property natin. Ang sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is that yung hagdan natin concrete na, yung ating of course kitchen area may hanging cabinets, no? May modular cabinets. Maganda to. Bibihira na nagkaroon ng modular na hanging cabinets upon turnover, and granite yung ating mismong ginamit dito. Yan mga kabalay. Well spacious for our dining area and also for our living area. Mataas ang ating ceiling. Yun yung mga sa mga maganda sa mga properties natin ngayon na complete finish talaga and wala ka nang ipapaayos pa. Now, let's go naman sa ating second floor. Mga kabalay, dito sa ating second floor, so we have a hallway here, 1 meter, yan. So ang ganda ng bahay na may hallway, no, that separates each bedrooms. So this one, puntahan natin muna yung ating first bedroom. This is the first bedroom that we have. So you can have a bunk bed like this one for our first bedroom. Nandito sa side natin yung ating window, no, sliding window with screen na yan. And then provision yung AC natin for the aircon, yan, provision for aircon yung natin. And this side naman may cabinets na. Yan, lahat kabalay ng ating mga rooms dito ay may mga cabinets na upon turnover. And you look at the switch natin, hindi basta-basta switches lang. No, premium yung mga materials na ginamit dito. This is our second bedroom. Yan. Yung atin naman window is nandito sa part na to. No? And then yung AC natin is nandito. No? May AC lagayan tayo dyan. Of course, with cabinets na upon turnover. No? Good thing may mga cabinets dito. Itong nagustuhan ko dito sa Cat-in Place 5. Lahat is may cabinets na mga kabalay. And this one, as you observe, yung naka-tiles na tayo dito mga kabalay, no? Hindi ito vanilla, tiles mismo to, no? So quality talaga yung binibigay sa atin ng mga materials ni Cat-in Place. On this side is our second bathroom. Yan, mas malaki yung bathroom natin sa second floor. Well spacious, kaya makakagalaw ka talaga, no? Ito guys, ito mismo yung turnover sa inyo na no shower type, no, for your family. You can have your dito colds and hot, no. Yung lavatory natin same dun sa baba din, at saka yung toilet premium talaga. As in premium yung mga materials and deliverables na ibibigay sa inyo dito. Yan, ganda laki. Last but not the least, of course, our master's bedroom. I can say na master's bedroom talaga siya kabalay, no? As you can see, no? Ito yung queen size natin. Medyo maingay lang ng mga kabalay. Pasensyahan nyo na kasi ongoing yung mga construction natin dito ng mga units. Ito, master's bedroom natin. Queen size to guys. May space ka pa dito if you wish na maglagay ng katulad dito, chair, or maglagay ka ng table dito. On this side naman, naglagay siya na dito ng parang storage, or you can have additional pa dito kabalay na parang table na mahaba. Or you can put your PC here if you wish. On this side naman is naglagay sila dito ng TV, no? Malaki pa sige guys ng mga space mga kabalay. So malaki pa ng space na ilalagay mo dito and also dito if you wish kung anong ilagay yung furnitures diyan. Compared dun sa ating 2 bedrooms kanina, this one naman kabalay, 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, dahil sa master bedroom, mas malaki yung cabinets natin. Yan. Mataas yung ating ceiling. And this one, we have the mini balcony. Going to your mini balcony is naka-sliding glass door ka na. Yan, that gave you, no, yung ambience, no, na modern type ambience. Ito yung mini balcony natin. Upon turnover, may mag-glass dito, which touch, no? And then, ito yung pinaka-distance niya. Later on, if you wish na extend pa, no? Yan ang kagandahan dyan. So, malaki pa yung space mo dito and you have the balcony on your own sa ating master's bedroom. That's the end of our quick house tour, mga kabalay, here at Catling Place 5. Again, to give you a recap of our property of the day, this is located in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, near Las Piñas, near Alabang, and near Manila. Boundary lang po tayo ng Las Piñas. So, this is a complete finished townhouse, 3 bedrooms with cabinets, with carport, complete finish, 2 toilet and bath, with free gate and fence. Yan ang kabalay. So, this is the quality talaga na masasabi natin when it comes sa deliverables ng ating property. Again, mga kabalay, if you wish na makita yung ating site and model house, just directly contact me or comment on this video. Yan. Or for the sample computation, we can have a online meeting to discuss with you the details of the property. Yan. So that's the end of our quick house tour, mga kabalay. This is your Kabalay JM Malog. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay.